All right, dear, what are you doing?
I am trying to make some magnets, and I like to fit everything exactly perfect, and that's not gonna work. So, before I scan a project, I frame it out to make sure it's gonna fit on whatever area I'm working with, which does. But again, I have some overlay which I don't like. But anywho, we're gonna give this a shot. So. This is a darker stained wood that I'm using compared to our previous. So I'm worried that you're not going to actually see any of the words on this. So we're going to give it a try, and then I might have to mess with the speeds and power to get it to show up better. So here we go, guys.
So fast. Let's see what it looks like.
Maybe from here.
Let's compare the two.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's much better.
You doubted me.
No, I didn't tell you. Yeah, you can tell right from here. It already is like it's like for sure darker. Yeah, I think that'll probably work. It didn't go through either, so.
So I think that's a good. It's like a max power for.
It's a good contrast with this other wood too. Kind of gives you a nice two-tone look. Yeah, kind of a fun little project. All right, just trying another theory. We'll see if it works.
Here she is. That's what I want.
Darker.
It's darker.
The darkest one yet.
I love that.
Wow, that looks great.
Magnet.
Nicely done.
And it didn't cut through.
Yes, that's a win.
Through all of it.
Awesome.
Just kidding.
All right, well, we'll look at the finished project next, and we'll end the video.
All right, time to put it together. So I use thicker super glue. It gives me some wiggle room when I'm putting this together because I'm not perfect, believe it or not.